In this video, we are going to use GeoGebra to construct a regular hexagon, and we have some steps down below that we're going to follow. Step number 1 says draw a circle, any radius. Okay, draw a circle A, any radius, and we've done that already here. We have this point A, which is the center of circle A. Step 2 says pick a point on the circle and label this point B, and we've done this already as well. Let's start with step 3. Step 3 says draw a circle B with radius AB. So we're going to use our compass tool. We're going to set the radius equal to AB, and we're going to center it on B. Okay, step 4, label the intersections of circle B with circle A as point C. So we're going to label this intersection right here. We're going to use our point tool, and we're going to label that as point C. So far, this looks like the steps for constructing an equilateral triangle, but we're going to end up repeating those steps and taking it even further so that we eventually construct a regular hexagon. Remember, a hexagon is a six-sided figure, six-sided polygon. Okay, step 5, draw a circle C, circle centered at point C, with radius AB. So all these circles that we're drawing all have the same radius. We're setting them all equal to AB. And this one we're going to center on point C. Step 6, label the intersection of circle C with circle A as point D. So these steps are starting to repeat. We're drawing circles of radius AB, and then we're marking the point of intersection. Okay, step 7, in fact, does tell us to just repeat these steps. It says, continue to treat the intersection of each new circle with circle A as the center of a new circle until the next circle to be drawn is circle B. So basically, we're going to go kind of around circle A, creating circles until we get back to B, which is where we started. Okay, so we're up to circle D. We need to create circle D. It's going to have the same radius, radius AB, and we're going to center it at D. Then we mark our point of intersection. I'm going to click on the point tool, and we're going to mark that point of intersection. Now we have a new point E. We need to make a circle centered on E. So we're going to click on our compass tool, set our radius to AB, and center it on E. Now we have a new point that we need to mark. We're going to click on the point tool, mark that point of intersection. We have a new point F, so we need to create a circle centered on F. Click on the compass tool, set the radius again to AB. All of these circles have the same radius, and we're going to center that one on F. We have one final point of intersection that we need to mark, okay, and one final circle that we need to make. So we're going to, again, set that radius to AB, and we're going to center that on G, okay? We're nearly there. We have a really cool construction. Let's read the last step. Last step says draw line segments BC, CD, DE, EF, FG, and GH. Let's see what that looks like. So BC is right here. So I'm going to click on the segment tool and then connect BC. And then you can click on the segment tool again, but you really don't need to. You can kind of just keep clicking. I'll click on the segment tool one more time just to show you. But we're going to connect C to D. And then look, D to E. And then E to F. F to G. And G to B. Okay, and those final lines segments that we just drew are our regular hexagon. Okay, remember a hexagon is a six-sided figure. Let's look. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. And a regular hexagon is a hexagon where the sides all have the same length. The lengths of these sides are just the radius or the radii. Radii is plural for radius. The radii of all of those circles that we drew, right? BC is the radius of B. CD is the radius of C. DE is the radius of D. EF is the radius of E. But remember, when we constructed these circles, we made them all the same radius. They all have a radius of length AB. Okay? So the radius of each circle is the same. So that means that the lengths of these sides are all the same, and this is in fact a regular hexagon.